The verb to go in Gaelic, rach, with its past tense, chai, and future tense, h, is an important one to know. Obviously because we so often talk about going places, but also because Gaelic uses this verb to express something getting done, rather like the way English uses get. The wall got built. The car got repaired. We've already heard passive states expressed using ha and eith, like han car I the charug. The car is repaired. But if we want to express the action of getting repaired, then we use the verb to go. Chain car a charug. The car got repaired. Or chajachan bawa a hokal. The wall did not get built. And in the future, héitsin nopadayanov a madach. The work will get done tomorrow. And if we want to say who the action gets done by, we use le. Chain car a charug lemon nabi. The car was repaired by my neighbour. Héit sinnayanov lemheen a madach. That'll get done by me tomorrow.